What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to enable direct messages on Twitter. Have something to say but not to everyone. Use direct messages to have non-public conversations on Twitter with anyone who follows you. You can check in with someone that starts new conversations or move conversations off a timeline, or for example they share their tweets or media with an individual or a group. Now guys, I'm gonna show you. First, what you need to do is go on your left corner on the profile section, then scroll down and check for settings and privacy. After that, choose privacy and safety. Then scroll down and as you can see you have the option for direct messages. Click on that. After that, click on the first section. As you can see it's turned off, you need to turn it on. Go on that. And now guys, you know how to enable direct messages on Twitter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and see you soon.